Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to talk about paragraph writing. So before going to start talking about paragraph writing, I would like to tell you certain guidelines about it. So students, kindly listen to it quite carefully, because until and unless you will not listen it, you will not be able to comprehend. So it is my request to you, kindly listen to this audio and kindly go through the content whatsoever I am going to give you in the form of a PDF. Okay, so what is paragraph writing? Basically, paragraph writing is a short composition and it is presenting only one idea or a theme. Make sure that the paragraph is presenting only one idea or a theme, and the sentences in a paragraph are connected to each other with the help of sentence linkers to develop the main idea. Means whatever sentences you are making, that sentences must be linked with the second one. Until and unless you are not linking it, you are not using the sentence linkers, that paragraph will not be considered an effective one. So please make sure that to make paragraph writing an effective writing, you must have to take it under your consideration. And usually the first sentence of a paragraph give an indication of what the paragraph is all about. So whenever you are writing the very first line of a paragraph, that first line will be giving the statement. That will be a statement, and that will be highlighting what the topic you are going to take, what you are going to speak. So this is very important for us. And there are some main features of a paragraph. There are some main features of a paragraph. Kindly listen that feature carefully. The first one is unity. Unity. And the second one is order. Order. Third one is organization. Organization. In unity, what we have to take in our consideration when we are writing this point in this feature, we have to make sure that the paragraph has to be united. Paragraph has to be presented in a unified way. The sentences must be correlated. There should be a proper link between one sentence to the another one. The coherence of the sentence must be there. So we must have to make the coherence of the sentence, and it is very important feature of a paragraph writing. Make sure that. And it is provided by the way sentences are linked or connected together. So sentence must be linked, must be connected. So in the first feature we have learned that the paragraph writing must have a unity, and the sentences in the given paragraph must be linked, must be connected. And the second thing is that order. It is another important feature of paragraph writing. The sentence whatsoever you are writing, that has to be put in a proper order. Until and unless it will not put in a proper order, the paragraph writing will not be an effective writing at all. So sentence must follow one another in a natural sequence. The first sentence must be followed with the second one, and there should be a natural sequence. It should not be like that the first sentence is not correlated with the second one. It should not be like that. Okay, then we are having the organization. Organization means to organize the content, how you are organizing your content. So a good paragraph has a topic, sentence, and unity of purpose. Usually a paragraph begins with a general statement leading on to examples, illustration, and additional information. So while writing the paragraph, we just have to make sure that the content has to be organized in a proper way. The sentences must be united. The order should be there. The sentence must be put in a proper order. Proper coherence should be there. And it should be presented in a proper order also. So student, this is a paragraph writing, and I'll be going to send you one PDF file also. So please, after listening this audio, you are required to read that PDF file. There will be some solve examples given to you, and some exercises are given to you for the practice also. So it is requested to you all, kindly do those unsolved topics which is given to you for the paragraph writing, and the same has to be sent to me on Monday. So now the next class will be on Monday, so you are having ample of time for completing these unsolved paragraph writing exercises. Just do that and send the same to me on my personal chat. Okay student, thank you very much.